What's going on, YouTube? Official Keith here. Today we have a Treblab HD7 portable wireless speaker. This is going to be an unboxing and first impressions video, as my full review video of this speaker will come later. Now, before we begin, Treblab reached out to me about reviewing this product, and I graciously accepted. But just because they sent this out to me for free does not have any effect on my opinions of this product. But again, that will come in another video. So right now, let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy and let's see what we think. Let me get something here real quick. And now I think, is this a slider? Yeah. So just set that right there. Alright, so starting right off, they got the little safety, whatever this is called. And then it just goes right to the speaker. So let's go ahead and pull the speaker out. And we'll open it right here. And we're going to set that right here for just a second. Sorry about that. I had to make an adjustment with the camera since I'm using the sunlight a bit. Let's see, let's go here. And inside here you'll have, looks like one of those almost like a carabiner clip, but it's that nylon pass-through, whatever, so you can kind of put that on. You have the 3.5mm cable, male to male, so you can plug the speaker in on one end and then plug in your output from another source. And then you have your USB charging cable. And you'll also have some instructions, and we actually have a carabiner clip, so that's cool there. And I believe, yeah, that's going to be it in the box. So first impressions of the speaker, it is small. In comparison, let's do this so you can kind of see the size comparison here. Let me focus it up, sorry about that. So you can kind of see the size comparison versus my Sonos speaker. All right. But right off the bat, it's a small speaker. It's lightweight. You can tell that, like right there, is going to be the drivers, little mini subwoofers, I guess. The buttons are tactile, and then it has that hard mesh feel to it. So that's pretty cool. And right here is where you're going to charge the unit. And I believe this is where, let me see something here real quick. We got two different things going on right here. I think, yeah, this is where, that's where you'll plug in the 3.5mm cable. Definitely have to look at the instructions to see what this is for. And then this is where you'll put your little lanyard type situation or your carabiner clip. So right off of first impressions, I'm kind of curious as to how this is going to sound. Now, I have another portable speaker, which after my full review of this speaker, there'll be another video where we're going to do a versus, which is my Cove speaker. And I'm curious how this will sound. Like, it's a smaller unit, so I won't expect too much as far as like deep basses. With something like this, I'm expecting more clarity than anything. Just to see how this will sound. And again, this is a portable wireless, so it's Bluetooth ready. And yeah, it's an awesome looking unit for sure, and it's lightweight, so you can definitely clip that on a bag, or just, you know, easy to carry around outside. And just looking at some of the specs, it features the superb 360 surround sound with 12 watts of power. So having a lot of power in a small unit is definitely a plus. And you can pair two of these. So if you have two of these, then you'll have true stereo sound. So that's cool there. And then the playtime, that's another thing. As far as the battery that comes with this, the playtime is showing up to 25 hours on a single charge. And then of course you can use this for phone calls, as well as it does have a built-in microphone. So I'm going to play with this speaker for about a week or so, maybe even 2 weeks, so I can give it the full run through, and then I'll be back with my review video of this. But shout out to Treblabs. They sent this out to me, as I said earlier in the video, and I do appreciate them reaching out to me, as my channel is going a little bit more diverse, other than the normal that I have on the channel. As always, thanks for taking some time out to watch my videos. If you like this video, go ahead and smash the like button. If you subscribe to the channel, make sure you click on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Until next time, this is Official Keith. You're now official. We'll see you later.